National Weather Service continues to survey and confirm tornadoes in Kentuckiana from just this last weekend's round of severe weather. Clark County, Indiana is continuing to take the initiative to install more sirens for public safety. Jose Alonso tells us how they hope to fund and install 4 more by the end of this year.
This video on the town of Sellersburg's Indiana Facebook page from last May shows a tornado forming but not touching down near Covered Bridge Golf Club in the northwestern part of town.
You either have them or you don't. They need to work. And any kind of early warning system that we can have in place for the safety of our residents, there's no price on that.
Charlie Smith with the town of Sellersburg says right now there's only 1 siren for his entire town. Smith shared this map with me, showing where a second siren they helped fund will be installed. Where are we standing right now? What's going to be coming right here, hopefully soon?
So right now we're standing on Allentown Road next to one of our sewer stations, and this actually worked out to be a perfect location because we have power. It's just a good central location, easy access, easy for maintenance, and again, the impact that it would reach for the square miles that it covers makes sense.
The Clark County Emergency Management Agency has been gathering funds to install 7 new sirens near public outdoor spaces.
We've successfully secured funding for 7 sites, and that's in partnership with the City of Jeffersonville, Town of Sellersburg, and River Ridge, and the Clark County Commissioners and Council.
As of now, 2 of those sirens are under a manufacturing delay. Director Gavin Hebner explains why.
They are ready to be installed, just waiting for some different permits and different things like that to be finalized so we can get them in the ground and get going.
The green circles on this map show sirens currently in place, while the blue circles represent 20 to 25 sirens they hope to eventually install. One of those in the same area, Smith says this tornado was forming.
And we need to make sure these things are in place, and I appreciate Clark County EMA and the Clark County Commissioners for working with the town and splitting this expense with us so that everybody can benefit from the safety that these things bring to the community.
Clark County EMA was recently granted $80,000 for 2 more sirens this year. Their goal is to fund and install 4 more sirens by the end of 2025. In Clark County, Jose Alonso, WHAS 11 on your side.